Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Bad Blood on the piano. We'll begin by mastering the core chord progression that drives the entire song. This involves a simple, repeating four-chord loop: C major, G major, D major, and E minor. Focus on smooth transitions between these chords. Practice counting to 4 for each chord, ensuring a steady, consistent rhythm. This foundation is crucial for building your performance. Next, let's integrate your left hand to create a solid bass line and establish the song's rhythmic pulse. Your left hand will play single bass notes corresponding to each chord. For C major, play a low C; for G major, a low G; for D major, a low D; and for E minor, a low E. Aim for a consistent, driving eighth note rhythm, providing a strong foundation for the right hand's melody and chords. This creates a full, dynamic sound. Now, let's bring in the right hand to handle the melody and add harmonic richness. The right hand will play the memorable Bad Blood riff, primarily using notes from the G major scale. Practice the distinct rhythmic pattern of this riff. Additionally, you can incorporate simple chord inversions in your right hand to add depth and texture to the main chord progression. This layering creates a more complete and authentic sound, capturing the song's energy. Finally, let's put both hands together and refine your performance. Begin by playing slowly, ensuring perfect synchronization between your left hand bass and right hand chords and melody. As you gain comfort and accuracy, gradually increase your tempo. Practicing with a metronome is highly recommended to develop precise timing and a consistent rhythm. Remember, consistent practice, even for 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.